If you've been watching my channel for any length of time, all you have to do is just go back. You may remember the video I shot 3 or 4 months ago, depending on when you're watching this. All my builds from 2024, almost at 2025. Man, the year's going fast, isn't it? This is already March. But I did a video of all my builds from 2024, put it out the very 1st of January. You can go back to that video if you want to see it, everything I did in 2024. And my most popular 3 builds were the pulling tractors. And when I built those last year and was showing them to people, I had a lot of people come up to me at shows going, man, where'd you get the pulling tractor? Where'd you get the pulling tractor? Where'd you get the pulling tractor? Actually, I purchased those 3 pulling tractors several years ago and never got to them until last year. And I purchased them about 2022, right around in there. And I spent quite a bit of money on each one. It was well over $100 a piece. And the reason I never showed them up until this January of 2025 for my builds of 2024, this is important, is because the guy no longer made them. He personally got with me when he sent me those and said, those are the last pulling tractors I'm making. I am not making no more. Please do not show them on your channel. He made me promise, actually before I ever bought any, and he sent them to me. So I was bummed because I wanted to show his stuff. I was excited about him, but you know, I said, okay, that's cool. So I just kind of, when I got them, I sat on them for about 1.5 years, kind of lost the mojo on them because I wanted to show them on my channel, show you how cool they were and on, because it's something I really dig, are them pulling tractors. So I ended up, I said, man, you know what, Tim, I got to build these. So I built them in 2024, obviously. Showed them at the showed them for my build videos and everything, and everyone at shows always asked me, where did I get those? Well, I couldn't tell them where I bought them, and I could also tell them the guys isn't selling them no more. So I was talking to Matthew over at MCV Products about them, and he said, you know what, Tim, I'm into pulling tractors too. He says, I want to look into making one. I said, man, that'd be cool. I think they'll do great. So in the last month or so, Matthew has now put out 3 or 4 pulling tractors. Here's 3 of them. He's working on like 2 or 3 more right now. So depending on when you're watching this, he's going to have several of them. And here's some right now that he's got already out as of just March. And they are super nice. And I says, let me know as soon as you got that 4-jet engine done. So boom, he says it's done. I went on his website that night and ordered one, and right here it is. And yes, I bought it. So I can give you an honest review on this pulling tractor and let you know if it's any good or not. So far I'm liking the box. It's a box within a box. I have opened it up, and there's another box in here. So it's very well packed. Sorry for the long intro. I had to let you guys know all about this because it's very important. But I'm going to get the camera turned around and unbox this pulling tractor and show you how cool this is and show you how nice these are. And the price is a very good price. Like I said, I spent way more, probably $40 more than that, what Matthew wants, about 3 years ago. And you know, prices have gone up. So let's get the camera turned around and I'll show you the pulling tractor. Okay, like I said, there's a box within a box. So it's very well packed. Here's the other box, and I'm assuming this is what the pulling tractor's in. I slid it open just to make sure there were no other small parts in there, and there wasn't. And this is all the farther I've gotten. So this is just as new to me as it is to you guys. I'm super excited about this. And this is how the pulling tractor is going to come to you guys. The other pulling tractors that I ordered several years ago did not come like this. They just came all in a bag just with parts. I was a little disappointed, to be honest with you. So I'm going to pull everything out. This is what we got. I'm telling you guys, this is a good price on this thing. And I am going to also get close-up detail pictures of this. As well, but definitely go on to his website, MCV Products, and you will see all the pulling tractors. And then you got the frame. All right, so that's everything that's in the box. Okay. That's all. That looks very good. And again, I'll put some close-up pictures also of this stuff. But looking very good. Very good so far. Here's your tires and wheels. I'll get a close-up picture of these also. And I'll get everything out of the bag, and we will look at them all up close so you can see what's going on instead of looking at my hands. I got the parts unbagged and laid out, and you can see how clean everything is. I haven't touched any of these parts. They're just pulled straight out of the bags. No sanding, no cleaning, no nothing. And everything's looking really good. I'm actually really surprised on how everything looks. The engines, or whatever you want to call those, on this particular tractor have great detail. Everything's crisp and clean. Again, I'm amazed at how everything looks. Very, very nice quality. Well worth the price. I'm going to definitely be getting more. I'm so glad I bought this one and really looking forward to building it. Look at the fender. I haven't sanded anything on that fender. Nothing's been sanded, just straight out of the box. And again, there's the tractor that I bought, the 4-turbine. And these pictures here, it's mocked up, and these are pulled straight off his website. So when you go on MCV Products website, that's what you'll see. So those pictures were pulled off the website. Those are the 3 tractors he has right now. And there's plenty more in the works from what I'm hearing, including a pulling tractor truck. Well, what'd you think about the pulling tractor? They go together great. Don't be scared of them. This is the only way you're going to get them. They're not going to be in kit form, and he plans on coming out with plenty more, so follow along on his website, and he's popping them out pretty quick, and I'm on them too, because I keep saying, man, make this one, make this one, make this one. I want to buy them. I want to buy them. So he's all excited to sell some. So get with him and say, hey, man, make this pulling tractor, make that pulling tractor. He's all up for ideas on what to make. But if you want to see some other stuff that he made, MCV products, go to this video that I just put out a couple days ago. It shows a bunch of products that I just bought, and I show them up close so you can see how good the quality is. I guarantee you the quality's great, the shipping's great. Super excited about his product, super excited about that pulling tractor, and I'm going to get to building that pulling tractor along with the big Camaro. I got to get on this big Camaro, and I got a couple semi projects coming up too, so you're not going to want to miss it. Make sure to subscribe to keep up to date on everything, and we will see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.